these two cutting boards. I think they look beautiful the way they are. So I'm just going to go ahead and elevate it a little bit. I'm going to put these ribbons on top, and with that jute twine I already did a bow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here on top of the cutting board. I think it looks nice just the way it is. I'm also gonna add a little bit of jute twine so I could be able to hang it on the wall. I'll do something similar to the second cutting board. This was nice and simple and quick. I also have a third cutting board, and that cutting board cost me $7 at Dollar General. This beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree, I will be making a bow, and then with jute twine I will be making a smaller bow and putting it on top of this ribbon. I love this. I think this looks so beautiful. I think they look very elegant, and I hope that you enjoy them. Moving on to our next DIY, I have this glass bottle that I will be recycling, and this tray that I got from Dollar Tree. Now that it's all cleaned, I will start painting it with white chalk paint. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use some more jute twine, and I'm going to put it on the neck of the bottle. Look at how pretty. I'm gonna take some hot glue, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the tray. Look how beautiful and simple. And now with this candle that I bought at Dollar General, and with the ribbon, I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue this ribbon around the candle. Nice and simple. Hope you enjoy both of these DIYs put together. Taking this platter from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna go ahead and use some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint the top of it. I'm not gonna paint it perfect, only because I want some of the gold to penetrate through the white paint. So these pieces of wood, I used them as legs, and they came 4 in a package from Michael's. I got them at the $5 grab bag. I have these 3 succulents that I bought them at Dollar General, each for $1. And I also have this ribbon that I will be using. These were also nice and simple. and you could put them in any corner of your house. I hope that you enjoy them. I'm going to be recycling this box. I have this knob, and with this vinyl paper I'm going to wrap the bottom portion of the box. And as you can see, I'm using this white chalk paint, and I will be giving it to a coat. Once that is dry, I will be also using some of this Mod Podge to make sure that the paint does not come out. Now I have the knob, and I will be hot gluing it in place. I have these transferable stickers, and I will be spelling out the word cotton. I took some Scotch tape, and this is how I'm transferring the words, or I should say the letters. I'm going to be using this baker's twine. It's white and green, and I'm going to fold it in 4, and then I'm going to start hot gluing it around the top. This was nice and simple, and I went on and I put some cotton swabs in the box. I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to be recycling this metal piece. I also have this container from Dollar Tree and this oyster. I'm going to paint all 3 with this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss paint. Now that is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and put them together. I thought I was going to use this snake from Dollar Tree. I was going to cut the head and the tail, and I also painted in white, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this ribbon instead. I'm going to hot glue it to the oyster. So now that this is put together, I'm going to go ahead and assemble it. And once again, I want to thank you for sticking around until the end of my video. Please consider subscribing if you have not done so, and if this is your first time stopping by, make sure that you go into the comments section and introduce yourself. Again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it.